I would like to take the audience through a lot of modular construction projects in and around our country and globally that's happening, so that there's a bit of a knowledge sharing session and you can explore further in regards to the precast technology, right? So we are an award-winning company. We have worked on 3D volumetric construction, for which we have been awarded a prize by Honorable Prime Minister of India. And we are a deep technology company who is developing solutions for precast for built environment, right from material to automation, in terms of equipments, in terms of structural engineering and design, which is our core area of interest. So we have been developing the tools around precast construction. We have been catering to clients across the world, and these are some of the few capabilities and advanced construction technologies which I will be briefing you today. A quick demo on all these terminologies which we have been using. So in terms of 3D volumetric, in terms of offsite construction, we have been doing facade engineering in precast and using BIM on all our projects. These are some of the key projects which we have been working. So I will be covering these projects for the wider audience to understand where its real implementation is happening across the world and in India. 2D precast, some of the residential buildings, commercial, public buildings, hospitals, school buildings, data centers, airports, and facade projects. 3D volumetric projects, and some of complex engineering projects as well. So this is a recently completed, by KG developers, KG Group in Tamil Nadu in Coimbatore. Around 3 lakh square feet project was completed in about a time frame of about 12 months, completely in precast. It's one of the largest developments recently completed in precast in Coimbatore. So when I say the timelines and so it includes design, production, erection, completely finished fit outs, everything, right? So this will give a wider audience what is the speed and quality we are talking about. So here, if you notice, this is about six-storied buildings. After the stilt floor, wall panels, staircase, landing, mid landing, slabs, completely are done in precast. And this is a school project which we did in Dubai in UAE. It's a egg-shaped rooms. Classrooms are there, very beautifully designed by the architects. So right from nursery to 12th standard, all the classrooms are in precast. Right. This is Indira Canteens. Residents of Bangalore might be knowing that next to every metro station, these are done in precast. Around 200 such canteens were completed in about 198 days. So on an average, one canteen was built in one day. Still, I mean, it has been like almost 7 to 8 years, and still they look very beautiful. These are not painted, right from furnitures to underground water tank. The complete canteens are built in precast. This is Yenopoya University staff accommodation. You can see the live video, construction video on our YouTube channel also. This was done in about 4.5 months of time frame, 1 lakh square feet of a building. Yoga retreat accommodation in Kolar in Bangalore, near Bangalore, about 25,000 square feet was done in about 25 working days. This is a Magic Breeze project which we did in Hyderabad. So this is about 8 lakh square feet project size, completely in precast. This is for Vaswani Menlo Park, again in Bangalore, was done in precast. This for DLF, which we did in Lucknow. So in all seismic zones also we have done projects in precast. Right now we are doing it in seismic zone 5 in precast as well. Right. So these are some. This is a very challenging, unique public building. It's a mosque project in Shivaji Nagar in the heart of Bangalore, in which is done completely in precast. This was finished by Prestige Group, and this was constructed by KEF Infra, which was later known to be Katera. So it's around 45,000 square feet. Was done in about 3 months of time frame. So the entire facade, structures, completely minaret, domes, completely are done in precast. So this is an Infosys project in an electronic city in Bengaluru, which we did in precast. Inclusive multi-level car park and office building was about 1 million square feet. It was done in about 18 months of time frame. Right. So very neatly done. Very less amount of manpower you need at the site. So when I'm talking about the buildings, the complete building components here, right from retaining walls, after foundation, the complete building were done in precast. So here we had the hollow core slab and precast pre-stressed beams, columns, and some core walls in precast. Staircase landing, mid landing, facade completely unitized, integrated glazing with the facade in precast as well. Right, two basements were there. This is multi-level car park within the same campus of the project. This is about 1.5 lakh square feet building, was erected in about 3 months of time frame. There's a gem school project in Kochi in Kerala, about 5.5 lakh square feet project size, was completed in about 18 months of time frame. Very complex in nature, but then client wanted to do it in precast. Then this is a Microsoft building in Hyderabad, which we did in precast. This is a 3D volumetric villa, demo villa, which we are constructing as a proto in Pune, right? And this is a Ranchi project by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, a lighthouse project using 3D volumetric and 2D precast, wherein we designed the entire molds using which the building was constructed. This is 3D printed concrete structure, which we are doing in collaboration with Swasta. So we are working with them as a knowledge partner, and this is about to be coming up in Goa. So this is one more advanced construction technologies. We can use 3D printing to produce modules of such irregular shapes in the factory and then assemble at the site as well. These are some of the facade engineering projects in JRC which we did. Recently, we completed Kuwait International Airport, again a parametric structure facade, doubly curvature in precast, and in GFRC we have completely designed, and it was built by Limac, appointed at Kuwait. This is again a challenging facade engineering project which we completed in Bhindi Bazaar for SBUT Group, completely in precast. Then yeah, this is one of the high-rise buildings for which we did a unitized glazing integrated with the GRC precast facade. Right. So yeah. So these are some of the key projects which I would like to put up in the audience. Apart from that, we are doing a lot of projects right now: five-star hotels, residential, commercial projects in India and globally using precast. Yeah. So that's it from my end. Thank you so much. Yeah.